Hi, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to talk about ChatGPT. What is it? What can you do with it? And how does it work? Are you ready? Let's go. So what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence assistant created by the company OpenAI and founded by a lot of smart guys, including this one, Elon Musk. And it can communicate with you like a normal human being, a normal but perfect human being. It was released in November 2022, and since the release date, it got 1 million users in only 5 days. In comparison to Facebook, who got 1 million users in 10 months, and Instagram got those 1 million users in 3 months. Netflix got the 1 million users in 3 years. So it is just amazing. What can you do with ChatGPT? Almost everything. It can generate every kind of text. It can generate a documentation, a description, a tweet, a YouTube post, an Instagram post, almost everything. And if you are a developer, you can also use it to generate a code in different type of languages, Python, C++, Java, JavaScript, everything. So everything possible that you can think about, it can generate it for you. And it can also translate a text in one language to another language. It can chat with you in different languages. So powerful. Does ChatGPT works? ChatGPT is actually using a type of artificial intelligence called language model, and it is trained through reinforcement learning. What does it mean in simple words? ChatGPT is actually like a child. So it reads a lot of bunch of text in different languages to be able to communicate with you, and also reads a lot of code or a lot of programming codes, sometimes available on GitHub, to be able to write a code. So the model used to train those text, normal languages like French, German, or English, is called GPT3. So it uses that model for GPT3 to be able to communicate with you like a normal human being. And it uses the model codex to be able to generate a code for you. And the more you use it, the smarter it becomes. So what are the limitations of ChatGPT? ChatGPT is actually a smart tool, but like any other tools, it also has limitation. And for those limitations, I will only talk about the technical side. I won't go to the political side. So let's talk about the technical limitations of ChatGPT. The first thing I want to say, ChatGPT is like a child. So it learns like a child. If it starts to get a lot of wrong information, it will also start to give those wrong information back. Let's say you tell him 3 plus 3 is equals to 9. He will tell you no, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. But if you keep telling him you are wrong, 3 plus 3 is equal to 9, and a lot of people start telling him 3 plus 3 is equal to 9, he will remember that 3 plus 3 is equal to 9. And when somebody else will ask him what is 3 plus 3, he will tell that person 3 plus 3 is equal to 9. So that's one of the limitations of reinforcement learning, because it thinks 3 plus 3 is equal to 9 is the right information. Actually, it is a wrong information, but it gets taking that information back. So I couldn't blame him, because if he starts taking a lot of wrong information, you also start to give those information back like a child. Okay. Another limitation is that when you ask a lot of requests, you start to wait for 1 hour or something like that. So it isn't as powerful as Google now, but maybe in the future they will be more flexible with those requests. But actually, I've tried to put a lot of requests on it, and I had to wait for 1 hour before I could add another request. Another thing, it is not so powerful yet with a lot of codes, because I've asked him a lot of difficult codes, and from those 10 codes, it could only solve 3 solutions. So it also has to work again, it work harder like a normal child. But I think with the future, what will come, I don't know yet, but I think it will be really powerful in the future. So here we are at the end of this video, and I have a question for you. Do you think that ChatGPT will replace us or will replace our job? Just write it down on a comment below, and then also forget to like and to subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to always be notified when I have a new video. See you next time. Bye-bye.